Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making instant pot beef chili. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my instant pot. I have it set on Saute high and it's hot. I'm going to start by adding in a little bit of olive oil. Probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Now I have 1 large onion and 1 large green bell pepper I diced up. I'm going to get them in there and saute them just for a few minutes so they start to turn translucent and get a light brown on them. Alright guys, now that I allowed my onion and green bell pepper to saute for a few minutes, I have roughly 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to get that in there and get that broke up and browned up. And this isn't lean, so I'm going to have to drain off the excess grease when that's done browning. Alright guys, now that my ground beef's all browned up and I drained off that excess grease, I'm going to put in my seasonings. I'm going to start by adding in 2 teaspoons of garlic. I'm using a minced garlic in a jar. If you use fresh garlic, use about 4 cloves diced up. I'm going to add in a healthy teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. I'm going to add in 6 tablespoons of chili powder. And I'm making the one a little smaller because I had a big clump come out there. Alright. I'm going to give this a stir. Let me add in 2 teaspoons of dried oregano real quick. Give that a stir. And guys, if you could smell these spices in here mixing together. Alright, now I'm going to add in a can of diced tomatoes, juice and all. This here is a 28 ounce can. I'm also going to add in 2 cans of chili beans, juice and all. These are 15.5 ounces. Now if you like, you could drain these and rinse them, but I'm not going to bother because this has chili sauce in it, and this chili sauce gives a good chili flavor to your chili. I'm also going to add in about a half a cup of chicken broth, and I'm just going to eyeball that. Give that a stir to get everything all mixed together. Alright guys, I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. When my 8 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, my time's up. I did that quick release of the pressure. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some cornbread to go with this. Let me get in here and try this chili. That stuff's going to be hot. Not spicy hot, but hot hot. It's really good. Has that good classic chili flavor. The beans are nice and tender. Hamburger's tender. That's really good, guys. I'll take a bite of my cornbread for you. Good, sweet. And you can dip that in your chili if you like. I'm not going to, but that's really good as well. Alright, there you have it. Instant pot beef chili. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.